Hi, this is Lance Edwards, and welcome to Chapter 6 of the book. This chapter is titled, How to Find the Deals. And this is where your business begins. You know, earlier on we talked about there's two things you're marketing for, deals and dollars. Deals and dollars. This section is about finding the deals, and this is what it's all about. So in this chapter, I explain three primary methods you're going to be using to finding creating your deal flow is going to be websites, brokers, and direct mail. Websites, I'll give you a couple examples. Talk about in the book. LoopNet.com is one. MLS, Multiple Listing Service, is another one. These are free websites with apartments that are listed for sale. And explain to you how to find these websites. There's a gaggle of them. But also talk about explaining how not every listing is going to be a great deal on websites, so how to quickly sort through those listings. Give you that technique in here. But websites are a great source. Second component of your deal flow is talking to brokers. This is both commercial brokers and residential realtors. Also, they have properties for sale, but they also have properties that they don't put on the websites. Those are called their pocket listings. And so I explain how to get pocket listings from brokers is by developing a relationship. This is by using your phone, following some exact words, and asking very good questions and being very precise in your language. I talk about in detail the process for speaking to brokers, and it's the importance of scripts. And in the book, I teach you what you need to include in those scripts. You need to be able to do the same thing over and over. The third component for creating a deal flow is direct mail. Direct mail is putting letters and postcards directly to apartment owners. You get on the phone and talk to them directly. The advantage of direct mail is there's no middleman involved. The other advantage of direct mail is it's one of the greatest ways to get owner finance deals because you're talking straight to the owner. But you're going to be using all three components, websites, brokers, and direct mail. That's to get your deal flow coming in. That's at the heart of your business is deal flow. I lay it out for you in Chapter 6, how to find the deals. I want you to go read it. Start creating your deal flow right now. And remember, the reason I'm teaching you how to do this is because I got a selfish reason. I may be your buyer. I'm buying apartments all over the country, nationwide, me and my investors, both small and large. And you bring me some leads, I may be your primary buyer. Matter of fact, I hope to be your primary buyer. That's Chapter 6, how to find the deals. I'll talk to you next in Chapter 7.